Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, today our topic is hydrocarbons. This is for class 10th subject chemistry. Let's start. Hydrocarbons are the compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen. That is hydrogen plus carbon, it gives hydrocarbon. For example, we have methane. Its molecular formula is CH4. It contains carbon and hydrogen, hence it is hydrocarbon. This is the simplest hydrocarbon. Simplest hydrocarbon is methane. Similarly, we have ethane, C2H6, molecular formula इसकी है. We have propane, इसकी molecular formula है C3H8, etc. etc. These are the examples of hydrocarbons. हाइड्रोकार्बन्स जो है इनका जो इम्पॉर्टेंट नेचुरल रिसोर्स होता है, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट नेचुरल रिसोर्स ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स is petroleum. It is petroleum, or we can say crude oil. It is petroleum. Now these hydrocarbons are of two types. Hydrocarbons are of two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons. Second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let us discuss the first one, saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons कौन से हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं? जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि हाइड्रोकार्बन्स जो होते हैं इनका जो सिंपलेस्ट है वो मीथेन है, उसके बाद ईथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा. सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स वो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं जहाँ पे कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में, यानी कार्बन एटम्स जो होते हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ सिंगल बॉन्ड्स के ज़रिए से कनेक्टेड हो. दोज हाइड्रोकार्बन्स in which the carbon atoms are connected to one another by single bonds. They are known as saturated hydrocarbons. For example, we have ethane. Here, its molecular formula is C2H6. Its structure is like this: carbon. Two carbon atoms are connected by single bond, and there are 6 hydrogens in this ethane. Here two carbon atoms are connected by single bonds. That means, so this is a saturated hydrocarbon. Similarly, we have propane, C3H8. Its structure is carbon, carbon, and carbon. 3 carbon atoms. These are connected to one another by single bonds. Rest, there are 8 hydrogen atoms in this compound. So this is also a saturated hydrocarbon. These saturated hydrocarbons are represented by a single, or we can say general formula. General formula. इनकी जो है वो है CnH2n+2. This is the general formula of these saturated hydrocarbons, CnH2n+2. For example, if n is equal to 1, the compound would be C. n के बदले में हमें ये यहाँ पे 1 लिखना है, तो 1 हमें ज़रूरी नहीं, 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. H2n, n के बदले में 1, 2 into 1 हो गया 2 plus 2, it is 4. When n is equal to 4, compound becomes CH4. When n is equal to 2, now the compound will become C. n के बदले में हम in place of n we will write 2. H 2 into n, n is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2, it is equal to 6, C2H6. When n is equal to 2, compound becomes C2H6, it is ethane. So we have another examples for this. It is propane, C3H8. Then we have butane, C4H10. We have pentane, C5H12. These are examples of these saturated hydrocarbons. Now the another type of, you can see in these examples here n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5. Now unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are the hydrocarbons in which carbon-carbon atoms are bonded either by carbon-carbon double bonds or by carbon-carbon triple bonds. Hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are bonded or connected together by double or triple bonds. In case of, do remember in one thing, in case of these saturated hydrocarbons, they are also known as alkanes. They are known as alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbons are known as alkanes. It's general name for them. Now unsaturated hydrocarbons, the carbon atoms may be joined by or connected by either by double or triple bonds. Now first, for example, we have now first one, those unsaturated hydrocarbons in which carbon-carbon double bonds are present. Those unsaturated hydrocarbons in which carbon-carbon double bonds are present. They are known as alkenes. इनका जो जनरल नेम है वो alkenes. ठीक है, they are known as alkenes. For example, we have first ethene, C2H4 मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला. इसकी जो स्ट्रक्चर होगी वो ऐसे होगी, C2, कार्बन कार्बन एटम जो है इनके बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होगा, हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन. जो कार्बन की जो वैलेंसी है वो 4 होती है. अब इस वाले कार्बन की वैलेंसी, 2 वैलेंसीज आर सेटिस्फाइड बाय दीज 2 बॉन्ड्स. and the rest two are satisfied these by these two hydrogen atoms. इसके साथ भी तो ऐसा ही होता है, दो जो इसकी वैलेंसीज है they are satisfied by these two bonds and the rest two are satisfied by these two hydrogen atoms. Here carbon carbon atom is joined by carbon carbon double bond, hence we name this as ethene. Next example is we have propene. C3H6 carbon carbon carbon. Two of the carbon atoms are joined by double bonds. हाइड्रोजन 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 हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन है. ये वाला कार्बन एटम, इसकी 4 वैलेंसीज है. 2 आर सेटिस्फाइड बाय दिस 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स एंड 2 आर सेटिस्फाइड बाय दिस 2 बॉन्ड्स. दिस कार्बन एटम it also has 4 valencies. 1 is satisfied by this hydrogen atom, 1 by this carbon atom and 2 by these 2 bonds or double bonds. ये वाला कार्बन एटम, इसके पास तो सिंगल बॉन्ड है कार्बन कार्बन, तो इसकी जो बाकी है इसकी जो वैलेंसीज है दे आर सेटिस्फाइड बाय 4 सिंगल बॉन्ड्स, 1 विद कार्बन एंड 3 विद द हाइड्रोजन एटम. दिस इज प्रोपीन. ये जो अल्कीन्स जो होते हैं इनकी जो जनरल फार्मूला होती है, इनके लिए भी एक जनरल फार्मूला होती है लाइक दोज ऑफ अल्केन्स. जनरल फार्मूला फॉर अल्कीन्स is CnH2n. यहाँ पे आप एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हाँ एक बात है, n कैन नॉट बी 1. n जो है 1 नहीं हो सकता है. इट कैन बी 2 3 4 5 6 एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा. when n is 2 it becomes C. when n is 2 2. now H 2, n is equal to 2 2s are 4, H4, it becomes this compound C2H4 ethane. when n is equal to 3 it will become C3H2 into 3 H6, it will become this compound and so on. So this is all for today. In the next lecture we will be discussing those hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by carbon carbon triple bonds. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.